One thing we're thinking a lot about at Barron's is the secular changes we're seeing in the market, where there's so much disruption that we wonder if certain industries, they may be cheap and they may just keep on getting cheaper. I mean, retail would be an obvious one in some cases, victims of Amazon, but even the auto industry, very low price earnings multiples. Maybe the market sees something. Do you think secular changes is moving more rapidly now than it did in the 80s when you were running money?
No, I saw the textile industry deteriorate. I was recommending all the stocks on the way down. I saw the shoe industry go away. Industries can go from terrific to terrible. There's a great expression in the textile industry that helped me a lot.
Textile industry, yeah.
It's always darkest before pitch black. Just when you think things are terrible, they get terrible squared. I mean, so just because industries are getting bad, that's not a reason to invest. Wait for things to get better. Because, again, somebody might be involved in steel. They might be involved in coal. They might be involved in iron ore. They might be involved in plastics. They'll see aluminum pick up before I do. So that's a cyclical turnaround. That might last 2 or 3 years. You might see it way before Wall Street sees it.